How to see outgoing friend requests on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Your Activity section. Go to Activity Log. Scroll down and tap on Connections to see who and how you've connected with people. Then, tap on Friends. Here, select Sent Friend Requests. You can now view all your sent friend requests from here, along with the dates. Following these steps, you can easily see outgoing friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.